Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize the data screens on your fēnix 6. These steps will be the same for many of our new watches. Activity profiles have default data screens set based on the most commonly used data screens. In this video, I will show you how to modify these data screens. To begin, use the Start/Stop button to access the activities list. Scroll through the activities, and then use the Start/Stop button to select the activity you would like to use. For this video, I will choose the walk activity. Here, you can scroll through the default data screens that have been set for this activity. To access the Custom Setting menu to modify the layout and the data fields, press and hold the Up button. Next, select Walk Settings. This title may be different for you based on the activity you have chosen. Next, select Data Screens. Here, you can scroll through the default settings that have been set for this activity. When you have found the one you would like to change, select it with the Start/Stop button. Next, select Layout. Here, you can scroll through the available layouts. When you have found the one you would like to use, select it with the Start/Stop button. Next, you can change the individual data fields. Select Data Fields, and scroll through the data fields until you have found the one you would like to change. Here you can scroll through the data field categories. For this video, I will be using a cadence category. Next, you can scroll through the individual data field options. For this video, I will use the cadence gauge. You can continue to modify the layout and the data fields, and when you have finished, press the back button 3 times. Here you can scroll through the data fields as they will appear during your activity. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.